All right, good morning. Today is September 10th, 2024. And yesterday we had a lot of back and forth. We were looking at the gamma chart, and I mentioned that it was going to be choppy because there was no clear spot where there was agreement. So we did have it was a roller coaster. It was up, 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 down, 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 up, up, up. So it was but at the end of the day, it was rotational. It was pretty much in balance. And we rejected value from the day before, right? We tried to get inside Friday's value, but we rejected it. We tried to get inside Thursday's value up here, but we also rejected it. So we were balancing in the middle. And now during the overnight session, it was pretty much balanced until just recently. We just broke above broke above yesterday's high. We're ending the one-time framing down on the daily, and we're entering Thursday's value. This high is key, this area, because not only is the high from yesterday, but it's the low from Thursday, value area low from Thursday. We also, if we look at the hourly chart, you can see that this is a hourly swing low, a high that if it holds, then it gives there's really no much resistance all the way to up here. And if you look at the higher time frame, we have this area where we had 3 days of overlapping value plus these 2 sessions from before. So we have some value that was accepted previously in previous sessions. So this is gonna be a stronger magnet than this down here, in my opinion. And you can see that we're still pushing higher. So what I'm going to be looking for is accepting inside Thursday's value, triggers the value area rule, and the move up to value area high, which is around 55.30. And then from there, we're going to be inside this range. So what should happen is that we look at attempting to take the Friday's high and then go for the 55.60 area. Not necessarily all has to happen today, but that's the scenario if we hold above this current highs right now. And then of course above 55.70 we squeeze the shorts, and then likelihood increases to go back to the 20-day point of control up here at 56.38 ish. Now, if for some reason this move can be sustained and then we start seeing some sellers, then what I'm going to be looking for is, do we enter value from yesterday? Do we enter and accept value at 54.83? And then if we do, then I will be looking for a move down to yesterday's value area low, which is at 54.60. And then from there, then I will be monitoring to see if we have any continuation and exit value from yesterday through the break below value through the downside, and then attempt to test this point of control at 54.21. But those are the scenarios. The third scenario, which is also likely, is that we start attempting to break above, then find sellers, try to break below, and then have another one of these back and forth days. But so far, bulls seem to have regained control. And I said the other day that this area was key, and I was looking for buyers to step in here, and we are getting buyers from there. We're already up 100 points. If you took a trade there and caught that low, good for you. Congratulations. I didn't. I should have, because I've said that I was looking for buyers here, but I didn't. So anyway, so that's about it for ES for today. Market is still waiting for those CPI news and the interest rate decisions that are coming up soon. NQ still slightly weaker. If you compare, ES is already inside Thursday's range, but NQ is not even close. Still has about 60 points or so to get inside the range. So watch that, because if it gets inside Thursday, then we can see a move into the 19,000. I'm sorry. All right, crude oil. Crude oil yesterday couldn't make new lows, and now is attempting to bounce back into this area, likely the high volume nodes from here. There's some resistance here still at the 69.10, so we need to get back above this highs to be able to target the 70 area, the high 69s, I should say. But yeah, you can see the range here. So we're gonna start balancing likely in this area with the point of control around the 70 area. And then this is now the new resistance at 71.40. So if we get here, and also look at this lows right here. So around the 71 area, I will probably be looking for shorts. And gold, not much has changed. Yesterday I said that we're likely coming back to the 25.40, and here we are. Same thing, balancing in this range between 2500 and 2568. And I mean, nothing much to say. If we get above the 20-day point of control, then look for a retest of the highs of the range, and then see from there. If you fade a breakout, then move back to the 25.46 area. And other than that, not much going on. It's stuck in this range. All right, we have Fed speaking today at 10 a.m. Fed bar speaking, so keep an eye on that. And then at 12:15 also. Excuse me. And then we have some 3-year note auction at 1 p.m. and then that's it. And tomorrow we have CPI and core CPI. So we might have some more balancing before the CPI numbers. But also we have some more news on the 12th, on what day? On Thursday we have PPI, core PPI and jobless claims. So we still have some relevant news that we're waiting for. So keep an eye on those, and that's about it for today. Good luck.